Dear Jamaican woman, no matter where you go, and it does not matter what you think you look like, and or how you think you see yourself, just bear this in mind, that you are a very special human being, an asset and a gift to your country. So propose your purpose, and the change you want to see happen in this world. Rise up and make use of your time. Get on your grind. Lift your head high, cause you are meant to be a queen, and you are worthy enough. You are beautiful, and more than equal enough. You are competent enough,